Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will draw a Diwali special mandala art, which is a colorful diya mandala. So let's get started. I have drawn the sketch of the mandala with pencil and now I am coloring it with brush pen. At first, I am using the sky color. And now I am using red color to fill this portion. After this, I am using violet color to fill these petals. You can follow me at Facebook and Instagram also. The links are given in the description box below and in my channel's About section. The violet petals are done. Now I am using the same color here also. And now using the sky color again here. Now applying the lemon green color in this blank portion. You will see how this color will illuminate the mandala. Now applying the same color in the small petals too. And using the purple color for these outer lines of the petals. Done with the small petals, and now drawing the big petals with orange color and filling its inner portions. And again using the lemon green color in these outer portions of the petals. I love how this color is highlighting the mandala. Now doing these portions again with violet color. And now the outer portions with sky color again. And finally the red color in this outer portion. Done with the base. Now let's do some more designs. And now I will color this part. I am coloring it with yellow color first. then with orange color. If you liked my video so far, please hit the like button below, comment your views in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such creative videos. After orange, I applied lemon green color and now applying red color. The color is bleeding because the color had not dried yet. But don't worry, we will fix it later. Now let's decorate the Diya mandala with golden glitter pen. First I am applying it on the lines. Lines are done. Now let's decorate it with different sizes of dots. Let's make some designs on these petals too, with combinations of lines and dots. Now I'll fix this bleeding color. Just make a thick line over it. That's it. It is fixed. And make lines over these lines too. So, the Diwali special Diya mandala is ready. Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comment section. So, that's it for today. Happy Diwali to you all in advance. May the lights of Diwali illuminate your life. Stay happy and healthy. Bye-bye.